Right, I'm over at the Paint and Decorating show. I'm talking to Joe, and he's actually doing some decorative finishes. And those that know me know I like the decorative finishes. And I'm going to say in the top left-hand corner, you can watch that video where I marbled a roll-top bath a good number of years ago. It's a very lucrative part of the decorating industry to be in if you can do these decorative finishes. You might not be doing it all the time, every single day, but when that job arises, and Joe's going to nod his head, you're in the elitism of the kudos of somebody that can actually do this. There's a difference between a painter and a decorator, and you as a young man is moving forward to being that decorator. So do you want to talk us through what you're doing at the show today, and generally what everybody else is doing as their other projects? Tell us about it.
So we've been asked by the Paint and Decorating Association if we could do competition style work that we would normally do. I've done a few myself. This is one we did this year. This was like one of the first heats that we've done. So what I've done is I've just changed it a little bit to what I want to do. I haven't tried marbling before, so this is the first time that I have tried the marbling, which I've actually quite enjoyed it. We're using feathers, there's badger hairbrush that you use to sort of fan it out and whatnot, and obviously the proper tools that you would use. But like I said, I'm just sort of doing a bit of a free-for-all, doing sort of what I want to do with it. But
I've just been telling Joe, this is what I used to teach at college back in the 90s, and I'm going to give you a tip and trick, and your lecturers probably hear over higher. Always keep your badger brush clean, wipe it down, because it's the softness of that badger that will give you the effect that you're wanting. So do you want to show us a bit and demo?
Of course. So I was just using the feather. So
what sort of feathers are these, Joe? What sort of feathers?
I'm not too sure. This isn't my tools. So him who's just come over there, this is his setup.
Hey, goose. And if you can get swan,
was it swan?
If you can get swan, that's the elite.
Yeah, because obviously you've got that one as well, but I wasn't too sure. I wasn't listening too much.
And I hope you don't mind me just giving you some tips and tricks.
Yeah.
You know, when you've got your feathers, if you hold it, you can get your shears or scissors and just cut a little bit of a shape into that feather there to give you a little bit different design.
So I've got a little bit like scumble and white stalks, and then obviously a lot of water as well.
And another thing you've probably got as a bit of apparatus, have you got any real natural sponge?
Yes, we've got.
Because that's also a good thing to use.
Just over there, which I'm going to go over with it on a lighter colour and just sort of touch up little bits here and there, sort of thing.
Great. Lovely. Thank you for talking to me. Thanks for showing me. And I'm going to shake your hand. All the best with your career.
Absolutely.
And as I say to anybody who's an apprentice coming through, if you can turn your hand to painting and decorating and be good at it, you've got a good career in front of you. My father was here yesterday. He's done exactly the same as what I've done and you're doing. 60 years in the business, and he's still working at 81. And my father specialises or decorative finishes. He likes doing the graining. So I'd be doing the marbling, he does the graining, but it's something we can turn a hand to. And that is your difference between that painter to the decorator.
Absolutely.
I don't want to say the word master painter, but you've got to be up at the top of your game.
100%.
So thank you very much.
That's no problem.
Best of luck in your career.
Thank you.